Hi guys, today I want us to go through volatility 75. This is what I do when I'm free, so it's just a hobby when I'm free. So today I want to introduce a simple strategy that works well with volatility 75, and just want to show you how it works. So it's a very simple. When you come to this page, you just make some few settings. So we have a setting that is called stochastic, and also we are going to go also about a strategy called alligator. So we start with the first setting. So as you can see down here where we have this indicator page, you can see the lines. These lines are called alligator, and down there you can also see faded lines that are gray in color. They're called stochastic. So I want to show how we can set up those indicators, because they are going to guide us in knowing when to buy and when to sell volatility 75. So let us set. So as you can see, the F above there is an F there. So we want to set stochastic. So in the main window, we are not going to touch anything. We are going first of all to set the indicator window, and we are going to start with stochastic. So it's already set. So I just show you how it's working, and as you can see, the parameters. Period is 1, you have the D period is 1, and the slowing is 1. So the price field is low and high. Method is simple. So the styles, here the styles, you can put your own color, but I prefer the gray one, because the stochastic will not be the main thing that you're going to look. So we can put it faded, that is gray. And down here in the levels there is 20 and we have 80. So when you say okay and go back to the chart at the indicator window, you can see the faded lines down here. Those are the stochastic, that is the stochastic. And then we want to set alligator. Alligator will be our main now. It will be very main, essential in this strategy. So you go and click F there, and then after that we are going to see the alligator. So the alligator is just like it's a simple strategy. So you just come and fix the settings. So you can say we have the period 13, shift 8, teeth period 8, teeth shift 5, lips period 5, lips shift we have 3. Then the method is smoothed, and we have the styles. We have 3 colors that represents each line, and then you can now say okay. So when you go back to the chart, you'll be able to see the settings. So here in the indicator window, you can see the setting. You can see we have 3 lines. They represent alligator, and we have the faded one, that is the stochastic. So we want to know when to buy and when to sell. They are going to guide us. So if you want to know when to sell and when to buy, number one, if you want to sell, make sure that the trend is at the overbought. It is at the overbought position, so that you can be able to sell. If you want to buy, make sure that it is at the oversold, so that you buy. So how do we know? If you want to buy, this is a live account that you're going to use. In this chart, you find the volatility 75 at hour 4. So if you want to know where to get into this trade, you go to daily time frame D1. So you'll be able to know whether the price is either oversold or it is overbought. So in our case, the alligator or the indicators, they are going to guide us to know whether it is overbought or it is oversold. So how do we use alligators to know whether it is oversold or overbought? When it is coming from uh, downwards under 20, level 20, when it is down there under 20, we know that it is oversold. And then if if you want to know when to buy, you make sure that it now faces upwards, slightly above 20. Now this is day one. We're not going to to get into the trade using day one. So we go to our 4. In our 4, we can see now it is reflecting so perfectly, and down here you can see the alligators. They are now coming from downwards facing upwards, and they are coming from level 20 facing upward. So that indicates that the trend was in an oversold position, and now it is facing upwards, so that we can now buy. Now this shows that we can comfortably get into buy. Few minutes ago I had done the same, and the trades are running here, and as you can see, the strategy is working well. Currently at $23, and it's still going upwards. So I think when you use that strategy, you'll be able to know when to sell and when to buy. So in case you want to sell, we will wait for the alligator to go above 80, and then when it starts going down, we now be able to know that it's time to sell. At the same time, it is good to know the graph and to know where the resistance and support is, so that we also use the graph to confirm. Like in our case, when I got into this, you can see the bull line here. That's where I got. I placed my trade. I was waiting. I was waiting for the graph to pass a certain area to know that it may break out, so that I'll be able to get into the trade. Let me show you where. So as you can see, it is going upward, and when I was trying to know whether the graph can confirm, I was using this position here. You can see here, you can see the double, something like a double top, and that could act as a great resistance. But now when this trade came and crossed over, when let me add this. Good. So when this trade went beyond this red line, I knew that it has broken through, and I knew that it is time to go for a buy. And down here you can also see that the alligator in the indicator window, it has also confirmed. So actually I can come and I can add 2 other trades here. So I use the smallest amount or lot amount, so I can add two other trades, just because I've confirmed it is going up and up again. And right now you can see it's at $25, and it is going up, still going up, and I'm expecting my also the 2 trades to be in profit anytime from now. So when you use that strategy, you are going to get more knowledge. You are going to get, you're going to be at the right place. So this is a simple strategy that I do when I'm free. This is not the main thing that I do. I do it when I'm free, just to pass time, but I hope you can use the same strategy to gain and to work and see whether it will work on your end. It works perfectly with the V75. it works well with V75. Yeah, I'm in $27 and expecting to go higher and higher above. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.